back to my channel. I'm your host Mohsen Ali and you are watching Global Scope News, where we break down the big stories so they are easy to understand. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we are diving into a really important story involving Ukraine and Russia and Mongolia. Stay with us until the end of this video and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Today's big story is about a major diplomatic clash involving Ukraine and Russia. And Mongolia is right in the middle of it. Ukraine has asked Mongolia to arrest Russian President Vladimir Putin when he visits next week. This visit is especially significant because it's the first time Putin is going to a country that is a member of the International Criminal Court (ICC). Since the court issued a warrant for his arrest, so why is there a warrant for Putin's arrest? The ICC has accused him of committing war crimes. They say he is responsible for the illegal deportation of Ukraine's children to Russia. This means that, according to the ICC, Putin has failed to stop Ukraine's children from being taken to Russia against their will since the conflict between the two countries began. But there is where it gets complicated. The ICC has asked Mongolia to arrest Putin because Mongolia is a member of the ICC, which means they are supposed to follow the court's rules. However, the ICC has also said that it's not guaranteed Mongolia will make the arrest. There are some situations where a country might not have to follow through on an arrest. For example, if arrest something would break an agreement with another country or violate diplomatic rules, Mongolia might be allowed to escape the arrest. Dr. Fadi El Abdullah, who speaks for the ICC, explained that countries like Mongolia need to cooperate with the ICC based on this room state. This is the agreement that created the ICC, but if Mongolia decides not to arrest Putin, the ICC might report this to the Assembly of States Parties. This assembly would decide that steps to the next. Last year, the ICC announced that Putin was being investigated for war crimes. The main accusations is about the illegal deportations of children from Ukraine to Russia. The ICC has also issued a warrant of Maria Lvova, who is Russia's commissioner for children's rights, for the same reason. These alleged crimes started on Feb 24, 2022, which is when Russia began its full-scale invasion of Ukraine. Russia has denied these accusations and called the ICC warrants. The ICC does not have the power to arrest people on its own. It can only operate with the countries that are members. That's why Ukraine is asking Mongolia to arrest Putin. They want him to be handed over to the ICC's prosecutors in The Hague, Netherlands. Last year, Putin had to cancel a trip to South Africa because of the ICC warrant. South Africa has a member of the ICC would have had detained him, But South Africa's president warned that his would be seen as a declaration of war by Russia. So the visit was cancelled and both sides agreed it was better not to proceed. Now all eyes are on Mongolia. Will they arrest Putin or will they decide not to act? The BBC has asked the Mongolian embassy in London for a comment and we are waiting to hear back from them. So that's the latest on the situation. If you found this video helpful and informative, please give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Global Scope News. For more updates, we want to hear what you think about this story. So, drop your comments below. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Stay informed and stay safe. Take care.